Hello friends, my name is Ekansh Pamar and in this video I am going to solve the third question which was given to us as homework. Friends, part A of the question says that if we move southwards, will we start to ascend or descend and at what rate? So first we need to find the directional derivative of the given function which is equal to gradient vector and unit vector, dot product of gradient vector and unit vector. Since we are moving in the southward direction, we can write the position vector as minus j cap. So unit vector will become, which is equal to minus j cap. Now gradient vector is written as this. So on differentiating with respect to x, we get minus 0.01 into x I cap and minus 0.02 into y j cap. Since the initial position was 60, 40, 966, putting the value of x and y, we get 0.01 into 60 minus 0.02 into 80. This is I cap, this is j cap. This we get as 0.6 I cap minus 0. This was 40, 0. J cap. Now directional vector. Since directional derivative is greater than 0, we are ascending. Now since we are moving in the southward direction, the rate is 0.8 meters per vertical meter. Now part B asks that if we move in the northwest direction, will we ascend or descend and at what rate? So the vector along which we move is this, which is equal to since theta lies in the second quadrant, cos theta will be negative, therefore, and sin theta will be positive. Unit vector is this is unit vector. And the gradient vector we had already calculated in the previous part, which was 0.6 I cap 0.8 j cap. Therefore, directional derivative is dot product of gradient vector and unit vector, which is equal to upon root 2, which is equal to 0.6 minus 0.8 upon root 2 which is almost equal to 0.141. Since directional derivative is negative, therefore we are descending at the rate of 0.141. Friends, C part asks us to find the direction in which the slope is maximum, the rate of ascent, and the direction and the angle above the horizontal which the vertical makes. So friends, the gradient vector only is the direction in which the slope is maximum. Therefore, the direction is minus 0.6 I cap minus 0.8 j cap. The rate of ascent is the magnitude of this vector. So rate is mod of delta f, which is equal to 0.8 whole square, which is equal to 0.36 plus 0.64 under root equal to 1. Now the angle made by the vector is dy by dx, which is also equal to the rate, which is equal to 1. Theta is equal to tan inverse 1, which is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, the vertical along which the slope is maximum makes angle equal to 45 degree above the horizontal. Hence,